waiting for Grab. Hirap talaga ng buhay ng isang OFW. Kailangan mo umalis. Feeling. Mabakasyon. Hindi ako magpabakasyon eh. Ang arte ko. Let's do it. Actually, kanina pa ako nakapag-check-in. Print lang ako ng boarding pass. Because, why not? Okay, so nasa boarding gate na tayo. That was quick. Still have 1 hour. 5:30 pa boarding. Hey, Boulevard again. Back in Zuma.
May kapero lang cover. Mas akong classmate.
May star siya dito.
Sa kamay.
Ano yung kalamay?
Anong tawag dito? Painitan. This is 10 minus 5. Ba't minus? Dapat
Hindi na minus na. 10-5 ra. 10-5.
10.5. It's like champurrado. Rice with chocolate.
Yung iba may peanut butter.
Okay, since later pa yung check-in ko sa accommodation, Starbucks muna tayo. With my laptop. Work laptop to, so hindi ako mag-base on dito. So, papalamig tayo. Magkakantahan ko na lang muna kayo ng Wega, 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 wega. Wega, 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 si Pinky. Pakalang kaibigan. So, hindi ko kinakaya kasi alas 2 pa yung check-in sa accommodation. And kinakuha na ako ng liwanag. So, maghanap kami ngayon nung matutulog kayo. Pakagat nga. Hi! So, I just woke up from a dream.
This is the dream.
We're here in
Roadways.
Roadways, located in the heart of Dumaguete. Pili. So next destination here in Duma, mag-gym tayo. Hindi natin para pabayaan ang katawan. Para natin i-promote ang healthy living. Parang si Alex Gonzaga magsalita. Guys, tara, breakout time. We're here in Nevas.
Still you show the way, and I
Iba to, remix na. Overdose. Isa na namang coffee yung i-judge natin. But this is my favorite coffee here in Dumaguete. Overdose, the Cloud Americano. Valencia Sunday Market. Let's go. Wala akong nakain pork.
Walang pork.
So it's only one out of. Then we got coffee from Coffee Weekend. Because it's Sunday. Kaya Coffee Weekend. Kasi pag Monday, Coffee Weekday. Hello! Day 2 here in Duma. So I'm channeling my Jacob Elorde na may pagka-Elorde boxing vibe. We're heading to Carmelite Sisters. So. Hello, still in day 3. Ano sabihin ko? Right now, punta naman kami for a session for CrossFit. Done with CrossFit. It's sa pagod, it's 5/10. But sa sarap, it's 7/10. So, kapoy. Last day. Last lunch here in Dumaguete and umulan. Asa ulan. So, this is gonna be my last lunch here in Dumaguete. I'm here at Adamo. This is gonna be my first time eating here. Yun lang, share ko lang. Third destination, we're going to Apartment Coffee, Apartment Cafe. Choose among the parentheses. This is gonna be my last destination bago ako sa Pilipinas. Mga kababayan, mamimiss ko kayo. Coffee.